FPOS Group has a great way to combat your credit card fees. We can help you do so by automatically taking a portion of your employee tips directly inside your Future POS system. With Shift 4 payments and Future POS, FPOS Group can activate this free feature for you. For this example, Dwayne will ring in a Bud Light with a $1 tip. When Dwayne goes to run his cash out report, you will notice that he only is receiving 78 cents on that $1 tip. The additional 12 cents will go back into your batch. When the manager goes to run his sales by range at the end of the night, you will see on the slip that it says house tips, showing you the amount of house tips that you have retained throughout that day from your employees. Tip retention is another way that FPOS Group and Future POS help save you time and put money back in your pocket.